One of the world's great museum collections of historic and fashionable dress is on the move. The Fashion Museum in Bath must leave the assembly rooms by 2023, where we've been for 60 years. You can help us move the collection by donating to the Buy a Bag campaign. Over 1,400 objects need special archival Tyvek garment bags in order to be move ready. And these garment bags protect the collection from dust, from infestation, from movement, from light. Everything really that we want to protect the collection from as we get ready to move everything out of the assembly room. You can donate to as many bags as you would like, and you could also choose from a range of exclusive rewards. By safeguarding the collection during the move in this way means that we will be able to share more of the collection in more ways in the future. Thank you for your support.